sort this out. Oh, hello there. I just thought I'd do a live. It's thanking everybody for all my lovely birthday wishes today. Absolutely awesome. Um, I've been spoiled. It's been absolutely awesome, and thank you ever so much for all the birthday wishes. I've never had so many birthday wishes in all my life. I'll tell you something, I've been spoiled from all my friends all over the world, and it's absolutely awesome knowing you've got very special friends, and you've got them in the four corners of all of the globe. And I thank you all very much for all the lovely birthday wishes, and it's great reading them. I have commented on all of them, I hope, but I've got to keep going through because there's so many coming in, and it's absolutely phenomenal, absolutely lovely. So thank you everybody, really appreciate it for all the lovely birthday wishes, and I love you all very much, and it's absolutely lovely. I've actually been really spoiled, and thank you ever so much. I've got a bit of a groggy voice, as you can tell, because I've just got over COVID-19. I was like really ill for about 2 weeks. It's absolutely vile. I had all the symptoms, couldn't breathe, coughing, hot sweats, cold, going cold, lethargic, just wanting to sleep, coughing for 4 nights, 5 nights on the trot, all the way through the night, absolutely vile. People wanted to call the ambulance for me, but I said no, because I think once you go in that ambulance, you don't come back. And I was just praying to the Lord that I could see another day, because it was absolutely vile. I really did think I was going to die. I wouldn't wish it upon anyone at all. Not even my worst enemy would I wish it upon. But I was just glad to wake up every morning to see a new day, and but now it's past, but it actually does scar you, and you do get these, like I've got a groggy voice now, and it don't seem to want to go, but I'm sure it will go, but I've been told that the after effects do last for a few months for it to finally really get back to normal. Anyway, so enough of that, sad old news, and let's talk about Bitcoin, because it's absolutely phenomenal what's actually going on now. Okay, we've got Bitcoin going through the roof. I think the last time I looked, it was at $33,000 or more, or breaking through to 34. It's absolutely unreal. I think by the end of the year it's going to be 100,000, or within the next 8-9 months it's going to reach 100,000. So all I'm saying to everyone now, okay, that's watching this live, if you haven't got a Bitcoin wallet at the moment, okay, if you can just comment in there no. If you have got a Bitcoin wallet, comment yes. Okay, and I'm just saying, if you have not got a Bitcoin wallet, comment no. I will tell you the best Bitcoin wallet to get, so you can start getting Bitcoins and start transferring all this wealth. Okay, and transfer the wealth to yourselves. You need a Bitcoin wallet. That's your first step. Let's get you a Bitcoin wallet. Get back to me. I will then show you the platform that I'm on, and show you how to transfer the wealth to you, and to fill that wallet with Bitcoins every single week. Okay, I've been with this platform now for about, coming up to probably about 10-11 months, I'm very much financially free now, and it's absolutely amazing. But I want to show as many people as I can, okay, how to do this, and just to give you a little bit of information. If it's not for you, brilliant. But the first step is to get yourself a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, I do recommend XXX. Okay, it's absolutely great. You can have an XXX wallet within about 5 minutes, um, and then all you need is to go to the platform that I'm with and fill that Bitcoin wallet up. Okay, so do if you haven't got a Bitcoin wallet like Danny Kelly, hiya Danny, just comment no. I will give you the information on how to get a Bitcoin wallet, and then you can get back to me and I will show you how to fill that wallet up. Okay, but anyhow, thank you once again for all the lovely birthday messages, and God bless you all. And 2021 is going to be so much better than 2020. Now 2020 was fantastic wealth for me, but 2021 is going to be, it's just going to be exploding. It's just going to be total transfer of wealth. Okay, so anyway, enjoy your evening. Thank you for watching, and catch up very soon. And like I said, if you haven't got Bitcoin wallet, just say no. If you have, yes. But and if you want information on this platform and transfer wealth to you, then just say give info. Info would be great. Anyway, thank you ever so much, and catch up soon. Okay, bye bye.